How to set up shipping with FedEx Shopify. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Shopify, or else you can open it from any of the web browser. Once you're in here, what you want to do is enter your login credential and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, click on Add Apps at the bottom left. In the search bar, search for FedEx. Once you have searched the FedEx, this application will appear on your screen. Click on Add App. Now you have to click on Install App at the top right corner. This interface will pop up on your screen. You will have to enter your email address and also your phone number. Once you have entered, click on Get Started. Now you will have to fill up some of the informations. Enter your account name, number, your first name, last name, company's name, and also your phone number. After that, enter your active email address, your street address, and then your zip code. Once you have filled up all of the information, click on Save at the bottom right. Well, the FedEx account setup has been completed successfully on your Shopify account. So that's it, and this is simply how you can set up shipping with FedEx Shopify. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.